In a loop of something به معنی گیر افتادن در یک چرخه و یا تکرار پشت سر هم از یک چیزی، در واقع توی یک دور باطلی قرار گرفتن. این عبارت رو من جدیداً زیاد هم میشنوم توی فارسی. مثلا ما توی چرخه از کار، استرس و بی استراحتی هستیم. We are in a loop of working, stressing and not resting. یا مثلا ما در چرخه اسکرول کردن اخبار منفی و مضطرب شدن هستیم. We're in a loop of scrolling through bad news and getting anxious. Isolation, انزوا. I enjoy some solitude, but not total isolation. After moving to a new city, she felt a deep sense of isolation. Too much time alone can lead to isolation and even depression. Call something into question. چیزی رو زیر سوال بردن. I feel that my competence is being called into question.
Then every decision you've written will be called into question.
Any day now به معنی به زودی، همین روزها. The babies do any day now.
The babies do any day now and Ted just walked out on her. The babies do any day now and Ted just walked out on her. The babies do any day now and Ted just walked out on her.
To shake off. این phrasal verb کاربردهای معنایی متفاوتی داره. در واقع to shake something off و یا to shake somebody off هستش. اینجا به معنی از شر بیماری و یا یک مشکلی خلاص شدن هستش. I hope I can shake off this cold before the weekend. phrasal verb run over به معنی زیر گرفتن کسی و یا چیزی در حین رانندگی. A car ran over John and killed him. A car ran over John and killed him. I was nearly run over by a truck today. I was nearly run over by a truck today.
Your father was run over by a trolley, right?
Your stepfather was run over by a steamroller.
To wrap up و یا to wrap something up این phrasal verb کاربردهای معنی متفاوتی داره. اینجا به معنی این هستش که چیزی رو به نتیجه رسوندن، کاری رو تموم کردن، جلسه‌ای رو تموم کردن هستش. We're hoping to wrap up the negotiation this week. To set apart یک phrasal verb هستش. در واقع to set something apart و یا to set someone apart هستش. یعنی که کسی و یا چیزی رو متمایز کردن از بقیه یا متفاوت کردن. The unique design طراحی و یا دیزاین منحصر به فرد و خاص set her artwork apart from the rest. artwork میشه اثر هنری. طراحی منحصر به فرد اثر هنری او رو از بقیه متمایز کرد. minor فرد زیر سن قانونی. The bank doesn't normally lend to minors. The bank doesn't normally lend to minors. In demand دارای خواهان فراوان، مورد درخواست. در واقع وقتی که چیزی و یا شخصی in demand باشه خیلی ها میخوان که اونو داشته باشن. Good teachers are always in demand. All the same با این حال، با این وجود. I'm not likely to run out of money but all the same I'm careful. I'm not likely to run out of money but all the same I'm careful. With the rise of با افزایش، با گسترش. With the rise of social media, communication has become faster than ever before. To press charges از کسی شکایت کردن یا to press charges against somebody. The family have decided not to press charges against him. The family have decided not to press charges against him.